welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case you're new to my channel, and we are back. We survived our 12-day road trip camping trip. It was amazing, and today I'm here to talk about and review a moisturizer that has stolen my heart. This is by Hanskin. It is their Hyaluron Moisture Cream. I found this at Ulta. I had been looking for another one. I think their brand is called Saturday Skin, and the Sephora nearest me does not carry that brand in store anymore, and so I got something else that was supposed to be, let me grab my notes real quick. I grabbed another moisturizer that was pretty positively reviewed. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And I tried it and I just wasn't super happy with it. And because the Sephora is so far away, I'm not going to go back and return it. It's just too big of a hassle for me. So I've just been using that one like on my chest, and it's working fine. But this stuff is amazing. The product from Saturday Skin that I had wanted was their like glacial water gel moisturizer or something like this, and so I was in Sephora looking for something similar, and this is pretty close. Hanskin is a cruelty-free and I think largely vegan K-beauty brand, which is very difficult to find in the K-beauty world. They were actually the first to create a BB cream that would work for all skin types, including oily skin. So I have just been really happy with this. This does give that extra glowy, like glass skin look. This is part of their like glass skin kind of skincare line. They have a couple different formulas, but this is like, oof, this is so good. So this is a gel cream hybrid, which I would very much agree with that. And it's super lightweight, but it is so incredibly hydrating without leaving the skin super oily. Its claims are to plump, brighten, and hydrate the skin, which I definitely feel like it does. I did throw in a little bit of a quick tutorial of my skincare regimen, minus actually showing you washing my face, and using this. You can see with the amount that I use, and I probably used a little more in the video than I really normally would, but sometimes I feel like I use too much and sometimes I feel like I don't use enough. And I'm trying out a new makeup, and so I wanted my skin to be like extra plump and moisturized, because when I took it with us on our vacation, there wasn't anywhere indoors for my makeup to be most of the time because we were camping a lot of time. So my makeup got a little bit on the like thicker, drier side because it's a cream base. So I just wanted to make sure that like everything glides on really well. Its main ingredients are sodium hyaluronate, which is a type of hyaluronic acid. It has hibiscus extract, which is a antioxidant, and it also has, I always say this word wrong, niacinamide and vitamin B3. They are supposed to brighten, help minimize the look of pores, and help soften the look of wrinkles. Its other claims are that it strengthens the skin barrier. It gives that glass skin look, which is really popular with the K-beauty skin regimens right now. And it also helps balance oil control. Now, I would say that this does that in a very strategic way. So if you are someone who produces a lot of oil, this is going to help balance that so you don't. If you're very dry, it's not like it's going to inhibit any oil control at all because it is so hydrating. It's just going to help your skin balance the control of oil. So when it needs it, it will produce some. And when it's, you know, not really needing it, it's going to help reduce that. Some other great things is that it is paraben dye, fragrance, and benzyl alcohol free. So if those are problem ingredients for you, this product does not have it in it. So overall, it's just been a really, really great product. It's doing exactly what I want a moisturizer to do for my skin. I love the way my skin feels. I love the way it looks after I put it on. I love the way my makeup goes on over it. All in all, I just think it is an excellent, excellent moisturizer. And if you're looking for something kind of different, if you've just been feeling really blah about your skincare, it's pretty budget friendly. I think it's either $30 or $40 for the tub, and it is 50 milliliters or 1.69 fluid ounces. I'll put up here the correct amount. I'll also link it down below on Ulta's website. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this and maybe learned about a new skincare brand. I'm always looking for, you know, something, but moisturizers sometimes I find like work really well for my skin, and then all of a sudden it's just like my skin's done with it. And I'm really, really hoping that my skin is like never like done with this one, because I just think it is an A+, triple plus skincare product. So anyways, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So be sure to click the subscribe button and the little bell so you will always be notified when I upload. I hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy. I think we're going to be going back into a semi-lockdown situation here in the next week or so. So I am happy that we got our vacation in when we did. So I hope you guys are doing great. I will see you all again soon. Bye-bye.